6K. And I think if I just boop off, and then, yeah, it's still recording. Okay. Oh, we got the train sound. Train sound, train sound.
Don't want them to walk out.
I'm just gonna hold this up like an umbrella. Haha. Oh, it's pretty teetery with the wind.
Oh god.
I'm just gonna have to keep a
Don't drop
yeah, no nice heavy thumb. I wish it had like a wrist strap or something. I'm such a klutz, you know. Train.
Oh, sorry. I thought there was something behind.
The train gone off the rails. Going off the rails. Oh, cool. Graveyard. Haunted graveyard. Test of courage. Don't want to do the test of courage.
No, I don't want to get in the way.
Test of courage against traffic. Pretty sure. It's too bad. Like I need to hold this with my right hand, basically. There we go. It's like an umbrella, basically. Except I don't have to share it with you. How unromantic. But, as I always say, there's nothing more romantic than filming people without their consent. Oh, look at this tree.
Huh?
With the with the things that I made look like cannabis. The things, the leaves, yes. The leaves. Which are 7-pointed, just like a cannabis. That's how you know it was a good joke. Oh, I'm sure these construction fellas are going to appreciate being filmed.
You need to like glitter everyone's face.
This way? Nobody wants to say hi to my camera. Oh, wait.
I don't know where the entrance is.
Oh. Well, we're walking for the experience right now. That's what this is about.
But your stamina.
Stamina. I have unlimited stamina.
Oh, really?
I traded all my intelligence points for it.
I don't think
Life is like an RPG. Oh, pigeon. For anybody watching at home, they have pigeons just like us. Literally just like us. There's no difference in the pigeon whatsoever. Oh, I thought you were about to point me somewhere.
No, thinking to all the way up there, but I'm not sure.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, still filming here? Yep. Right. You are taking us in circles, aren't you?
We have to go in a giant circle.
Okay.
Oh, look at this thing.
What's this? Oh! Oh, this would look so cool like this, I bet. Double mirror vision. Yeah. Okay. Down this little side street. Keep
I don't know.
other
Keep
right.
to the side.
Go in a squeeze.
Oh god.
Oh, I thought I lost you. Did you get kidnapped by that van?
Could you imagine?
Yes. That's why I stopped.
just went around because it was too tight. In case they wanted to open the door and get
Kerplunk. Oh, little cutie. Little cutie. This little forest spot over here.
Yeah.
Very, very inaccessible.
Yeah. It's loud.
No. The fencing definitely suggests that they want people to be able to get out, not in.
Yeah.
Windy. Oh, wait. Look at this little drawing.
Huh?
Look at this little drawing. Timo. Alright. Oh, this is cool. It's nice and high. That's Asia.
Yeah.
Call this series Asia in Asia. This is the east gate of Gotokuji. To enter the temple, please walk about 100 meters to the main Sanmon gate, go along the fence, and turn to the right. Smoking is prohibited on the temple grounds.
So you better get all your smoke.
All my holy weeds. They don't recognize my religion around here. For anybody watching at home, this is a nicotine vaporizer that is definitely not full of distillate.
Nobody wants to know that.
No.
Especially
Oh, could you imagine? This just became the new thing. And then the TSA was like, damn, these punks and their nicotine vaporizers. Can't allow those anymore.
Maybe.
Guess you just have to take the chances. I'm not one for withholding knowledge, you know. But I'm also not one for withholding bathrooms, so if you see one of those, I didn't say that.
Oh.
I implied it. Implied it heavily, in fact. But don't put words into my mouth. Hope this doesn't overheat the camera.
Why don't you bring it down a bit so you don't have to hold it so much in the
I don't want people to just have a view of my head, you know. Nobody wants to see that. Just gonna look like you're in a field of old wheat. There's wheat blowing in the... Look at my hair right now. My shadow. Just total mad scientist. Oh.
Okay. This is the gate?
This is the gate?
Yeah.
Alright.
Do
Just gonna slip under this tree. Ooh. This is blocked off, so we'll just have to peek from the outside. Oh, but this isn't. You can look in here if you want. Oh, you don't have to follow me so closely if you don't want. I'm just kind of trying to make the show interesting for the viewers at home. Oh, look what we found here. Ha ha ha. 420. Nice. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. This is the kind of stuff that I took this camera for. While Asia's off taking pictures of flowers and shit, we can look at what appears to be an incense thing of some kind. A lot of incense in there. And a big doggy. Oh, it smells nice. Yeah, this is definitely incense. It looks like Asia's caught up to us. Hello. Ooh, I'm gonna look at this big stone tablet thing. I guess I should take pictures too. Just take a nice wide. Oh god. Okay, double camera action. Double camera. Oh god. Wide angle. Oh, that's a beaut. Back. Take a picture of Asia taking pictures. Because she is a sight to behold. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this!
What?
Look at this!
What?
In front of us.
Oh, I thought you were pointing at something.
No.
Like, yeah, that is.
The very large pagoda.
Oh.
What else is in our immediate vision? Oh, take a nice pause at this. I don't even think I can get this whole thing in my camera. No. But we're gonna try. Oh! Oh yeah, there, the wide angle does it. Oh, that's so badass. Alright, Asia.
Huh? What?
You're in the photo now. We're trading places. So all my photos need to include you. Haha. Alright, normal. Yep. Beauty. These lamp things are cool. I bet these are made of like a copper or something. You see how they're oxidizing?
Oh, yeah.
This is how Trent University actually did their architecture. They covered the entire building in this metal because they knew it would oxidize to emerald green, and that's their school colors. Alright. Little Trent University factoid for you right there. I think we picked the right place to bring out the camera.
Yeah. Well, this is like our first sightsee. Where you're not like in a store where
Exactly. I don't feel like I'm encroaching on too many people's privacy. And everybody's got a mask, so.
Yeah, I'm still putting them out.
Yeah, oh totally. Yeah, it's gonna need some kind of facial recognition or something for that. If I can't find something like that, I might just have to do it selectively based on people whose faces are primarily visible for my own sanity. Are there any real cats or just statues? Oh my god! Lucky Charms. I have to take some photos of this. My apologies to the people at home. But I need stuff for my collection. Oh, the noise. I wish I could time when the wind was going to come so I could take a sound sample of that. Oop. Where is my voice now? Oh, crap. There we go. Maybe I can. Let's try. Come on, blow on it. Maybe we can read some of these. This one says, I hope I can live in Japan. Instagram EVCutie11111. I hope you can too. Dear Neko God, we are all the way from Jakarta, Indonesia. I always want to say that Jakarta. Turn off my memo.
It's gone.
cute.
Yeah.
I want a kitty. I want a puppy. Nickel. What's that?
It's cute.
Alright. Oh, I think we found a little statue here. Yep. Don't point. Okay. Am I being an asshole in Japan? Am I being a dumb gaijin? Sorry. Look at the kitty.
What's happening to my lighting?
Oh, there you go. This is gonna be like a really weird 360 that is going to like not really fit in with the rest of the Japan Walk 360s because it's going to include a running gaijin commentary.
I mean, if you don't like it, you can always
Just don't watch
over
it.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I feel like a lot of people watch these for the same reason I watch them, like during ketamine binges, just to kind of like zone out. But ain't no zoning out with my yapping. So maybe I'll shut up.
Well, I guess we already tell.
Yes. What's the order here? Is it ring bell, clap? Oh, I gotta wash my hands. Okay. All right. Gotta be nice and clean for this. Well, that's alright, because I'm gonna put this here. And I'm gonna flub it. Kamimashita.
And then you're supposed to go.
One? Do you have one? That's right. I can't make a wish without throwing a phone.
Whoops.
Oh,
Have $1. I don't know. I'm not gonna try to tell you what to
Nope.
do because I can't remember.
Alright. Well, probably messed that up so bad. I don't know how it's done. Don't know how it's done. Oh, geez. Alright. I'll just put this here for now. Oh my god. Same tripod. Okay. Nice. There are others like us here. It's a tough pose. Having trouble working session. There we go. Try not to interrupt this photo session. I know. There's so many places to take photos. Okay. Let me set the camera down over here for a second. Oh, because that's hurting my neck. Oh, there we go. Are these made by people? Yeah. Well, this one says Kayla, Mommy, and Baba. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, it looks like they're gifted or, bought and then put here perhaps. Oh my god, the little tiny ones. This one says Spooky. Spooky. I want Spooky. Oh man. I'm making a lot of sacrifices for my neck. Jake and Kaylee. Oh, the patch.
Yeah?
Oh, let's do that. This is the part where Asia applies a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory to my shoulder. Because I injured my neck on the way here. Alright. There we go. A nice spot for putting subcutaneous patches. Everybody at home gets to watch this. This is medical treatment for chronic pain.
Okay.
They don't give people like me drugs. Not on purpose.
So what do you want? Here?
The
usual?
Yeah, the usual.
Here?
Sure.
Or lower?
No, that feels good. I don't think
drifting down.
Yeah, well, the pain drifts down too.
Oh no, I lost my nail polish.
Uh-oh. Thank you.
Oh.
Uh-oh. What's wrong?
I keep pulling off my nail polish.
Really?
Yeah. I'm having issues here because your shirt's not tight.
Oh, sorry. Some great shot ideas.
I checked Instagram.
Ah, okay.
For inspiration.
Go ahead. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, that's some serious pushing. I like it. Alright. I wonder how you do that. Do you just can you set it up to just continuously take photos like that?
Yeah, it looks like she has it on some kind of
Like,
burst
oh,
shot.
yeah, but it's like bursting every 4 seconds or
Yeah,
something.
you could put this like timer on it.
Ah. Alright, we'll just look at some plants here. Some cute flowers. Ah, there we go. I can feel the menthol burning against my addled skin. Alright. Sure. Alright, we're gonna take photos of Asia here. How close do you want? Yeah. Give me a nyan. Nyan. Elbow down. I tried. Oh, link. There we go. Nice roofs. There's a little graveyard over there. Oh, can you get to the other side? Fair enough.
I'm just like letting myself.
Supposed to or cannot? Sorry? Did you find a good shot for a spot? Here, I'll trade you. Yeah, I know.
I just get a nice side shot.
Yeah, I think. Oh,
Just be careful.
I don't want to be in this shot. Sorry. Well, yeah, but now I can get the behind shots. Okay. Don't tell anybody I went back here. This was probably hella rude of me. Yeah, I know.
It's just like so quiet on the shot.
That's why I was trying to kind of skittle out.
Yeah.
So awesome. So pretty. So nothing. You want to sneak by? I think she's doing photo review.